who here would give up. Then the ones that persevere would keep going, and then you get to this top. So let's take it that I've had my first fall, which was this past 3 months. Now we're starting again. So guys, for a little background story, I posted my very first video in December of 2022. But before that, I have been meaning, in fact, I have been obsessed with opening a YouTube channel for as long as I can remember. So after being on this app for almost 1 year, here are some things that I underestimated before starting my YouTube channel. So the first thing on my list is, yes, I have a book, because I have been writing these things down for the longest time, because I have been beating myself up about being inconsistent, but I had to identify my whys before I can actually solve them. So the first thing on my list is time consumption. I underestimated how time consuming uploading, keeping up with your followers, keeping up with posting, comments and all would be. For a little background story again, I run a food business, and that is already time consuming. Juggling a food business with a food YouTube is like, it's hard. At first I thought it would be easier, because after all, is it not the food I cook to sell that I would be posting as content? But my dear, it is not the same thing. It is not the same thing. If you take an hour to cook a meal, to shoot a video, it will take you 3 hours for that same meal, because shooting a video, a recipe video, and shooting a YouTube and cooking are not even in any way close related. Like, they don't mean the same thing. So I underestimated how time consuming YouTube was going to be. So if you're currently free, or you're currently in uni and you're waiting to shoot your YouTube video, better don't wait anymore, because it's not even worth it. Like, time will still be time. So it's better you get familiar with the ropes when you have free time than when you're busy and trying to juggle all of it. It is mentally draining. So the next thing I have on my list is capital. Kudi. Shooting a YouTube video takes a lot, and if you want to be good at it, then you would need to invest in gadgets that can help this experience a lot more easy for you. So I run a food page, as you know, not just food. I do lifestyle content as well. I also do self-development content, but I haven't been able to post any of that because I have been embarrassed of them. I won't lie. I've been embarrassed of that, because I'm like, who will listen to you with this rubbish you want to say? But anyways, we're getting there. So shooting recipe videos are actually quite pricey. They are very expensive, because in a day I try to shoot at least 3 to 4 videos, and it takes a toll on my pocket. Like, I realized that my spending habit increased more when I started YouTube than when I wasn't doing YouTube. So you have to also plan for that. If you don't have the money, find a way to create content that won't need you spending, just like sit down videos like this, but it can be a challenge. Capital is definitely a necessity when trying to create YouTube videos. Under this capital, I would also tag storage space, because this was the first challenge I had with my YouTube channel. My phone got full so fast. The confusion it came with is one I've not still recovered from till today. But anyways, if you also run a food channel like me, then my guy, gather your money, because it is very, very expensive. If you run a channel that involves lifestyle content, you also need money, because what will you be showing us? In other words, have a stream of income when shooting your YouTube, because it may not blow up as fast as you think it will. Another thing I underestimated was how to grow on YouTube. Now, a lot of times you would rush to pay for classes or try to play mind games with the algorithm to try and see if you can grow. But in all honesty, I don't really think there's anybody that knows how to grow on YouTube that will tell you that if you follow this exact path, it will lead you to success. Before I started my channel, I would research and research and research. I researched for years on how to grow the YouTube. So in my head, I was thinking my first 3 videos was going to go viral. I was going to blow up so fast. This is my ancestors dancing at my stupidity, because it does not work like that. And expecting so much from your channel before you actually start putting out your content can actually take a toll on you mentally. Again, this is one of the major factors why I haven't been posting. My most viral video on my page is still my very first YouTube video. And since my very first YouTube video and now, I have posted over 20 videos. This is long form videos, not shorts. Shorts, I've posted over maybe 100 shorts. But on my long form video, the most successful my page has done since I opened this channel was in the first 3 months of opening the channel. So it really did take a toll on my mental health, because it became a thing of how can my past be better than my present. Like, I thought the whole thing was you start from bad and then graduate to good, not you start good and then deteriorate to bad. But at the end of the day, I'm starting to make peace with it, on that I was not very observant with what my audience wanted. And so don't pay attention to all these people that tell you do this, because you will end up paying more attention to them than you do to your videos. But your videos speak a lot. Every video you post, the reaction of people to the video, the retention, the audience viewing retention to the video, is that correct? But you get the point. All those things are factors that you should study. I feel it's more internal than it is external. There is no cheat code to YouTube. But if you can observe your studio page and observe your audience retention and observe all those things, you'll be able to tell what type of videos your audience wants more from you, and that would help you grow faster. Now I'm trying to re-strategize and reposition myself in the way I feel will be better. So yes, focus more on your page, focus more on your audience, and serving them the best value they want from you. Capish? So the next thing I also have is unpredictability. YouTube is the king of unpredictable reactions. Like I said, my first video was my most viral video, and that video has over 14k views right now, and it's still the most viewed video on my page till today. That is very, very depressing, because for me, I put out content when I was very consistent with YouTube. I used to put out long form content 3 times a week, and I post shorts every day of the week. So imagine a situation where your first video was your most viral video, and every video you've posted from then till now has just been going down. Like, my most recent video is even the worst of them all. But honest truth is that YouTube is very unpredictable. It only takes one video to get you to where you want to go. You don't need all your videos blowing up at the same time, right? Like, you just have to keep putting out content, keep getting better at what you do, and keep observing what your audience wants. And that would keep reframing and shaping how you would show up on this platform. And at the end of the day, the people that are your community builders would find you. I'm saying it now, but it took me a while to make peace with this though. So I'm just like here to relate to you. If you are just starting your YouTube channel and you have a lot of expectations for it, please calm down. Know that YouTube is very unpredictable. Even YouTube itself does not even know exactly what makes a person blow up. I said what I said. That is true, because like it's just like an AI. They created an algorithm, and it's people's reaction to the algorithm that makes everything that happens on YouTube happen. So your For You page is based off what you've watched before. So really, it is out of your hands. You have no power over it. The final thing I underestimated before starting my YouTube channel is, and I quote, "Imperfection is perfection." I always thought that on YouTube needed a particular kind of system, just like a sit down video. You need to be sitting here right now, to shoot a sit down video, you need to be full-blown makeup, you need to have face beats, you need to do this. That's the same way I also taught on recipe videos. You needed to have a setup, your camera needs to be positioned a particular angle. You can't have mistakes in videos because automatically that would equals not having views, but that is so wrong. The best thing that sells on YouTube is relatability. People want to feel related to you. They want to know that, oh, this is an everyday life. So even in terms of hey God, this is how I embarrass my village people on it. Even in terms of teaching and stuff like that and how-to videos, I can't take away my personality if I'm trying for people to be relatable to me. So guys, if you've watched this far and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, you are the reason I'm having depression. Yes. So please wait, pause this video, like and subscribe. Thank you. Also check out my other videos to see if my kind of content is what you also be interested. Don't just subscribe to my channel because of only this video. Then you subscribe and all it will be doing is counting number for me. If you're not going to watch any of my videos again, please just view this video to the end, like it, and be going. See for thanks. Oh, and by the way, did I tell you I flashed my phone? Like I deleted every single thing on my phone to make space because I was tired. I was tired of sitting down and feeling bad. So if your videos are currently not doing well, not doing numbers, relax. Anybody that is telling you you're the problem or your video quality is the problem or anything, and that is not something you physically see wrong with your video, then please relax. Observe more on your audience. Your audience holds the key to your success. No cap. Guys, this is where we come to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful to you as it has helped me. These were things I gathered over the time of my stillness, the time I couldn't post or talk. These were the things I was writing down. So guys, my space is back, my spirit is back, is elevated again, and I hope this is cheers to me getting to 1,000 followers. And if you're not yet subscribed, remember, please hit that subscribe button, follow, like, and share this video with your friends and family, and also your friends that are also struggling with YouTube. We're all struggling together, so let's help each other grow. If you're a YouTuber and you're currently growing, comment under this video so I also give you a follow. And I hope we Nigerian YouTubers get to be as successful as every YouTuber we hope and aspire to be. I hope to see you in my next, and I do hope that this video inspires you to do better. Bye.